Today, one of the effective natural ingredients to aid weight loss with well-acclaimed and proven results is Garcinia Cambogia. Garcinia Cambogia is a natural fruit like tamarind that grow mainly in the tropical areas. Garcinia Cambogia not only prevents body to store fat by blocking fat accumulation in cells with no feeling of hunger, but also burn more fat on the belly and other body parts at the same time. Garcinia Cambogia has been recently promoted by celebrity doctors such as Dr. Oz and been seen on CNN, BBC and other TV channels. The all-natural pure Garcinia Cambogia helps lose weight economically, as they are not as costly compared to other weight loss products in the market. Today you have an opportunity to taste and experience weight loss using the promising results of 100% pure Garcinia Cambogia for free. Click below link to receive a free trial bottle today.